YYC has been in the machinery business over 40 years, and our solid reputation spans across 5 continents. YYC started with customized racks and has a professional R&D team to develop a combination of gears and planetary reducers to provide customers with a full range of products and services in the transmission field. Industry 4.0 is the main development trend of the global manufacturing industry nowadays. YYC has professional manufacturing capabilities, strictly controlled procedures, to match various global specifications, and stable, excellent quality is our responsibility. YYC has exported to 50 countries, serving a wide range of industries, including machine tools, CNC machine tools, wood cutting machines, automatic warehousing, robotic arms, aviation, wind power, solar, and automobiles. YYC offers you total solution on transmission, your critical components for Industry 4.0.